Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through several solutions to fix Windows Update error 0xc1900107. And now, let's get started. The first effective solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. To begin, right-click on your Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Once in Settings, navigate to the System tab on the left-hand side list. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Next, select Other Troubleshooters and locate the option for Windows Update. Click on Run next to it. The troubleshooter will then start detecting any problems and attempt to fix them automatically. Many users have found success with this method on the Microsoft Answers forum. If the troubleshooter does not resolve the issue, your next step is to ensure all pending updates are installed on your system. Return to the Settings page, and this time go to the Windows Update tab. Click on Check for Updates, and make sure that every single available update is downloaded and installed. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.